My name is Ramsey Cheng. I'm born and raised Honolulu, Hawaii, and currently living in Hawaii, and this is what I've been up to during quarantine. Biking has been saving me during this quarantine. It's nice outside. It's so nice outside. It's pretty outside. Welcome to my room, guys. I'm just gonna show you what I've been up to during this quarantine, and that has been making kombucha. Alright guys, let's make some kombucha. That will end up looking like this. Joking, we are going to make an old-fashioned because drinking in quarantine has been saving myself. Start off with some ice. This bottle is a Costco size, so it's huge. 2 ounces of whiskey, dash for just good luck, with 4 dashes of these orange bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dashes of these bitters. I'm not pronouncing the name because I butcher it like crazy. Simple syrup, and do a little squirt in there. Give it a little mix-it like that. I get this little guy. Not too sure what this is called either. Or just like that. And then pretend I just peeled that off. Give it a little bit of a rim action. Throw it right in there. Throw it right in there like that. And there you guys have it. An old fashioned. Right, moment of truth. Damn, that's freaking good. Right on the top. Cheers. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, happy, telling the ones you love them. I'll catch you guys after quarantine.